Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the phone so diagnostics work cleanly. First, update iOS. Security fixes and Face ID patches matter. Next, remove any case or screen protector and gently clean the true depth camera, dust, or oil blocks infrared sensors. Once done, restart the iPhone to clear transient software states, then open Settings Face ID and passcode and verify the feature toggles for iPhone unlock and relevant apps are enabled. These steps rule out common software and coverage issues. Now you'll reset and retrain Face ID to rebuild the biometric template. Tap Reset Face ID, then choose Set up Face ID. Stand in good lighting and hold the phone at normal viewing distance. Move your head slowly to complete both enrollments so the system captures different angles. If your appearance changes frequently, add an alternate appearance. Make sure attention-aware features are set how you prefer. They affect recognition when your eyes aren't looking directly at the phone. Finish by isolating software versus hardware faults. Back up your iPhone, update iOS again, and if Face ID still fails, restore from backup or set up as new to rule out corrupted settings. If errors persist, run diagnostics via Apple support or visit an Apple store. True depth components can fail and require service. One key troubleshooting tip: if the true depth camera shows visual damage or diagnostics report hardware errors, stop repeated resets and seek professional repair to avoid further issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.